Well, hello there and welcome to this unboxing video of keyboard keycaps. I got this version from AliExpress and for a pretty low price of 15 bucks. There isn't anything special about the box, just a simple carton and a plastic bag which has the keycaps inside. Now these are PBT keycaps, one of the hardest, most durable materials, and it is more resilient against heat. This is my keyboard, which has blue switches and my old default keycaps that came with it about 3 years ago. Well, I hope you'll enjoy the video, and I'll make sure to make a sound test at the end, even though I'm just replacing the keycaps, which barely has any effect, but just to hear the quality of the keys.